Hello everyone, my name is Santino Miguel Cabrera and today we're gonna talk about the nervous system. The nervous system, it is a really important part of our body that helps controls and coordinate everything we do. It has two main parts which is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The CNS includes the brain and spinal cord which act like the command center processing information and sending out responses. On the other hand, the PNS consists of all the nerves that branch out from the spinal cord to different parts of the body. This system is divided into two more parts. The somatic nervous system, which controls our voluntary movements like moving our arms, and the autonomic nervous system, which take care of involuntary actions. The basic building blocks of the nervous system are neurons, which send signals through electrical impulses while cells support and protect them. Lastly, the nervous system is essential for sensing our environment, processing information, and responding to it, helping us maintain balance in our bodies and enabling us to think and remember things. Thank you.